occurring in Canada. And so that's what we want to start doing, is bring those issues up, bringing those to the committee so that does it have enough credence so that we need to include it in the standard and to better have a safer environment out at the job site. We want to implement internal lift planning and operational procedures. One of the things that we do numerous training sessions for major contractors. We just finished another one for Austin Industries this year. They brought in 600 of their superintendents from around the world in for a day and a half or 2 days of seminars. And one of the things that we bring up is the use of a written lift plan. And we don't want to burden you. What we want to do is give them the idea that what it is a checklist. You go down that list, have I looked at this? Have I looked at that? And you check it off so you don't inadvertently forget to check something. And it's something that doesn't take long. It can be done quick, just on conventional lifts. Obviously, with critical lifts and more severe lifts, you're going to go into much more detail. And identify corresponding areas of certification or training trends. We're going to be looking at, are we getting better with operas? Now that we have certifications for crane operators been in the longest, are we seeing a trend of less and less per year accidents caused by operator error? Similarly, now with rigging coming into play and with signal person, and I know the lift director will be coming out shortly. We'll be able to track trends to see, is it working? Are things working? Are we getting better and safer at things as we continue along? Because one of our biggest issues that we're running into is change. Cranes with the electronics, with the advances in metals, in analysis, cranes are getting leaner. The margin of error is getting smaller. And even if training is trying to keep up with that steady growth in technology, it's hard to do. And so it's going to take a concerted effort on a lot of people to make sure that that does serve its purpose and serve it well. If we look at crane types, the overall comparison, crane types by industry, this is just